Hello, my name is Priyanshi Patel and my ID number is 22DCS075. Today I am going to present about program interrupt. So first of all, program interrupts is similar to branch and save return address instruction. That is, we can say it is similar to subroutine call. There are some certain variation or difference to subroutine call. First is the interrupt is usually initiated by an internal or external signal. That means we do not write instruction in the program. They are usually initiated by internal or external signal. Second is the address of interrupt service program is determined by the hardware. That means we do not write address in, we do not mention address in our program. They are determined by the hardware. Third is an interrupt procedure usually stores all information necessary to define the state of CPU. Basically, program interrupt defined as transfer of program control from currently running program to another service provided program. Now program status word that is called PSW. This is basically type of register to store status bit. PSW is stored in a separate hardware register and contain the status information. Next is types of interrupts. There are basically three types of interrupts. First is external, second internal, and third is software interrupts. First, external interrupt. External interrupt come from, that means source of external interrupts are input-output devices, second timing device, circuit monitoring of power supply, and any other external source. For example, input-output device requesting transfer of data. We can say we want to transfer our keyboard information to the processor. It is a one type of external interrupts. Second, IO device finish the transfer data, elapsed time of an event, and last is power failure. External interrupts are asynchronous. It is not depend on clock. Next is internal interrupts. It is also called traps. Internal interrupts arise from illegal or erroneous use of instruction or data in program. Example of this is register overflow. When register overflow occurs, it caused internal interrupts. Second, attempt to divide by zero. We know that any number is divided by 0 is not possible, so it may internal interrupt. Third is invalid operation code, stack overflow, protection violation. These are also example of internal interrupts. These error conditions usually occur as a result of premature termination of the instruction execution. Internal interrupts are synchronized with the program. Next and last interrupts is software interrupt. Software interrupt basically also called built-in interrupts. It behaves like an interrupt rather than subroutine call. The most common use of software interrupt is associated with a supervisor call instruction. Software interrupts is used to convert CPU user mode to the supervisor mode. Thank you.